employers in Hong Kong. I'm Alma Kumigod from Monmouc, Paranaque City, Philippines. I'm 40 years old. I'm happy mother with my 9 years old kids. My highest educational attempt, high school graduate, vocational course caregiving, and I'm also ex-abroad finished contract from Saudi Arabia. My hobbies are cooking, cleaning, preparing food, preparing laundry, and taking care of the children. I have also work experience here in Philippines for 2 years and 3 family members. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn money for my family needs and savings for my kids. To the future, my employer, please hire me because I'm loyal, trustworthy, hardworking woman. I promise to all duties and responsibility. Thank you. And I'm looking forward soon as possible.